The rains have finally stopped, but they've left a landscape of catastrophic devastation. This is Indonesia's Aceh province, where whole villages are underwater. And this submerged scene stretches for miles. From the air, rescuers are trying to reach the worst affected areas and deliver vital supplies. The conditions are challenging. Search teams are out, but access is dangerous and difficult. This bridge brought down. A cut-off community now using makeshift pulleys for food and aid. Across the region, the death toll continues to rise. On the island of Sumatra, body bags are lined up. Casualties awaiting identification. For families missing loved ones, it is a heartbreaking wait.
We heard on Thursday night that a flood had struck and our parents' house was destroyed. We tried to get to the location but couldn't because the road was blocked and inaccessible. We could only reach the site on Friday.
The extreme rains caused landslides, with neighbourhoods buried beneath deep mud. Elsewhere, rescue teams wade through deep waters to bring people to safety. For others, though, it is too late. In Sri Lanka, yet more extreme weather. A cyclone caused flooding, washing away homes and roads. Stranded families now winched away from rooftops. This has been some of the worst flooding for years. The tropical storms battered huge provinces. Here in southern Thailand, receding waters reveal the damage. The torrential rains have destroyed homes and roads. From country to country, millions have been affected and thousands displaced. As the rescue and relief work continues to find and help those still badly in need. Laura Bundock, Sky News.